She's happy. Oh my god. This is a more effective candle lighting. No vlog much, but we are in Binondo. With the Jumegas. Pagod? Napagod? 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 Finally! Shot, 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 shot. Nagkasila. Sarap. Alam. Kami nga hindi. Would you guarantee? Make your fingers fit into the heart of my mind. To air up the sun. Good morning, madlang people. Today is orientation day, July 29, and I am running late as always. So yeah. So this is day 1. We're gonna have our orientation today. And time check. That's all. Bye.
All together. Okay, so yung tol niya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Let's go, fight hearts! 1, 2, 3, go! Let's go! Let's go, fight hearts! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
This again. Pupunta kami ng PJs. Pharmacy! Hi guys, we are on our way to Taguig. The orientation went well, made new friends, that's great. Pupunta kami ng SM Aura. Sana naman ang punta ng mga Beshi Wops. Mga na naman kami. Guys, hindi ko na din alam kung bakit kami nandito. 2 hours and 30 minutes yung commute. Tapos nag-grocery lang kami dito. Uwi na kami agad. Kakarating pa lang. Uuwi na. My goodness. My goodness. Decisions. Okay.
Day 2, she's very beautiful. Selfie na selfie sa init nila.
Hotel mo mula ka kayo magsugod na day may 1. Self-portrait view. Sino to? Welcome to the vlog. Hello. STEM students na nag-advertise. Shift. Balik kami ng med. Mahiya yung shading.
Desire of staff and students to succeed. The tech.
Hear the roar of Block 181.
Hello. Okay, hello guys! Wait lang, hindi ako nakakapag-process, nakakapag-vlog ng masyado for the past 2 days. Kasi nandito pa yung mama and aunt ko. But, I am here in the condo. And my mom just got home. I mean, my mom just went home. My mom and aunt just went home. So, I am officially living alone. Brother, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. You know what? Alam mo, it's always been my wish to live alone in freaking Manila, the main city. And look at me. Like, oh my god. Nakaka-crazy. Like, bro. Wait lang ha. Mapaprocess muna ako ng thoughts. Kasi, girl, alam mo. Wait, talk muna tayo. Wait, magbibihis muna ako. Hindi kasi for the past few days, I've been here with my mom and aunt. And they were very much kind enough to help me with the move-in. Especially, big thanks to Auntie Sarah. Auntie Sarah, thank you kayo. Like, sa pag-set up pa rin bed na ako for setting up my bed. And for the wall clock. Story time ng wall clock ko. Hindi sana bibili yung aunt ko ng wall clock. Eh, yung nangyari, nasa SM kami, nabasag na yung wall clock. So, wala siya choice. Kaya, nabili niya yung wall clock. Anyway, so, gusto niyo ba makita yung basag? Hindi naman klaro. So, for the past 2 days, I've been here with my mom and aunt. And today, they went home na si CDO. And it's the first time na I went back here in the condo with no one. And, honestly, I mean, I love my family. Pero alam mo yun, like, parang living alone. Like, bro. Hindi kasi, alam mo, back then, like, parang seryoso usapan. Back then, like, I really, alam mo yung mga vlogs na living alone, na vlogs sa YouTube, pinapanood ko talaga yun. And then, like parang, there's always that, you know, side of me na parang, iniisip na, I will never have that life kasi ang mahal, tapos, hindi ko kaya yan, parang, ang mahal, you know, to live alone in Manila. And then, look at me. Like, parang I'm so thankful na I am given this chance and opportunity na makakapag-live alone in Manila and to pursue my passion. Speaking of passion, story time, okay? Story time talaga. When I was young, parang, not young. Oh, shit. 2 years ago, grade 10 ako noon. Grade 10, I really wanted to pursue arts. And then, the thing is, I do not come from... Guys, medyo may nagko-comment sa inyo na parang, dapat mag-daily siya, mayaman pala to siya. Kasi, you know, you're seeing me move in here in Manila. Maybe majority of you guys are thinking na parang, mayaman to siya, mayaman pala to siya, patago lang, parang ganon. Actually, no. I come from a middle class. And may kaya lang yung pamilya namin. But wala kami extra to the point na my mom can send me here in Manila. So, back then, kasi in my city, there's no arts na, the schools, the universities doesn't offer arts na, may isa, pero, you know, hindi siya yung course na gusto ko. They don't offer much arts na courses. Kaya sabi ko talaga, wala na chance. Wala na talaga na chance na makakapag-pursue ako ng arts. Though, hindi naman ako ganun kumagaling sa arts. Nag-self-portrait kami kanina. Ang pangat ang drawing ko. Pero you know, I really thought na parang it's something that I really want to learn and study. And yun. So parang I got really sad. That was grade 10. I was in my room. I got really sad na parang I can never in my life will be able to pursue arts. Kasi it's so expensive. It's so expensive to pursue arts. Even in other countries. Ang mahal, diba? Yun, umiyak ako. Like, umiyak talaga ako in my room. Thinking na parang I will never have that life. Na makakapag-live alone ako, and then I'll pursue arts. And now, looking at myself, parang wow, what happened? Like I was actually, oh my God, naiiyak ako. I was praying na, Lord, wala na ba talaga ganon? I'm just happy. Oh my God. I'm not that religious, ha? Hindi nga ako ganun ka-religious na tao eh. Like parang, I really thought na parang, okay, dun lang ako sa Cagayan de Oro. Do the same thing as like how usually people do, like go to a university there, work there, and then settle in there. That's really what I thought my life would be. Kasi, you know, wala kaming kaya to like send off somebody in Manila to study. And then parang nag-sink in lang siya na, wow, I am attending like one of the big 4 here in the Philippines. And I am attending a prestigious school. I am living alone in Manila. And I am currently living the life that I've always wanted to live. Tapos nung paglabas ng USTET na results, sabi ko, pumasa ako ng UST. Sayang lang hindi ako makakapunta. Then sabi niya, go na yung UST. Sabi ko, ha, wala naman tayong budget pang UST. Anong go dyan? So sabi niya na parang, papatulog ko yung UST, first come, first serve. And dyan ka una pumasa, so go na yan. So sabi ko, what? Mag-UST ako. So yun, medyo mabigat na talaga yung tuition sa UST. Pero thank you so much to my mom. And thank you to the Lord. And I really would also love to thank you guys for the love and support. Especially to the people who's been with me ever since grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, or even now. I hope you support me along the way. And I'm looking forward for this college diaries. The rest is still unwritten. The future is still uncertain. So, we'll see how things will go. I just feel thankful as of the moment. Yun lang naman. Like and subscribe kasi hindi na ako magbubuhay dito. Charot.
Okay lang ba ilalagay ko dito?
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog!
Ano na ba? I'm the woman behind the camera.
Wow! Daming red flag! Yes! Uy!
Bumili sila ng tape, guys. Sige, go.
Another sided?
FAD. Let's go. C5.
Uy! Hello!